Hope you all are fine. Today our book is The Science Factor of Class 3 for primary classes. We have do its topic lessons or we can do in my next videos and their questions. Today we can do an exercise question which are: how does an image look like when your eyes first see it? Yes, when we can first see image, I can tell in my previous video which is about over eyes or eye structure, when first we can see over image, see something, it is that upside down, it is opposite. We can say that it is opposite, it is totally changed. Then message goes to brain and brain change this image into a correct way. So the answer of this question is it look like upside down when we see image first time. Okay, now move towards next, which is what type of organ is the tongue? What type of organ is the tongue? We have to tell that what type of organ is our tongue. So tongue is a strong muscle in our body. Tongue is an organ and tongue is the strong and the strongest muscle in our body, because we can fold our tongue, we cannot break our tongue. Okay, we cannot break tongue, we have to cut it. But the other muscles are break. If we can move other muscles in their opposite direction, not in their regular direction, the muscles break. We have damaged our muscles, but the tongue doesn't damage because the tongue is the strongest muscle in our body. Which part of your body helps to keep your body at the right temperature? Which part of your body keeps helps to keep your body at the right temperature? Yes, which part help us to keep our body at right temperature? Tell us that this is so called. You have, as we are sitting in AC air conditioner room, and we are sitting in an air conditioner room. As we, after some time, we feel that the room is too cold and we are start shivering and feel cold. So which part of our body tell us that this is so cold? As in nowadays, how hot outside is, when we go there, which part of our body tell us that the outside is so hot? Now we have to learn it. Skin makes sure body is kept at the right temperature. This is the skin, skin which covers over all parts of our body. Skin tells us that what's the right temperature, which is ideal temperature for your body. As if we can touch anything, this is our skin, and the nerve cells which are present in our skin gives message to brain that this thing is so hot, you don't have to touch it. Okay, if we can touch ice cube, this is our skin and the nerve cells present in our skin which tells our brain that the ice cube is so cold, you don't have to touch it for a long time. Okay, now move towards next question. And the next question is, what are the main jobs of our nose? What are the jobs? What are the work of our nose? What work does our nose do? These are the main jobs of nose. These are the jobs of our nose. It helps us to breathe. Yes, we can breathe from our nose. In my previous video, which is about nose, I can tell you that how we can breathe from our nose and how nose help us to clean the air which comes inside our body. It help us to smell. Yes, nose also smell us that is this food is tasty, there is some messy smell. It help us to alert us to danger. Yes, nose tell us that there is danger. How nose tell us that when we can feel something bad smell, as someone cook a food and we can feel a bad smell, it is dangerous for us to eat that food, because if we can eat that untasty and unhealthy food, our health goes to risk. Okay, these are the question. Now we can do over question number 5, which is what are the 3 small bones in the ear called? What are the three small bones in the ear. The three small bones in the ear are, as we can know that the smallest bone in our body are present in our ear, and the name of these small bones are hammer, anvil and stirrup. Now move towards next. Why is the tongue important to the eating process? Tongue have taste buds on its surface that let us taste different food. Yes, tongue have buds, so we can taste the food. That is the taste of food is good or not. Now we can do or start our next unit in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Keep these questions in your notebook and must have to learn these questions. Till then, Allah Hafiz.